Okay, Jake, Preston Way. That's the city. Roughly 14 feet from the clay pipe here, from the trench. Now, it appears to be all 4-inch clay pipe. We did find some roots. There's a couple of bends here, it turns, as you can see. But we located the city sewer connection. Got a separation there as well. We got some tiny roots there on the left. A lot of roots on the top. A lot of debris at the bottom here. A lot of debris. Gonna see some roots coming up also, small roots. On the left you got some roots, on the bottom as well. Small though. Roots there. And that's it. That's it. Alright, I'm stopping the recording.